Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Hollyland Lark M1 wireless microphone, an incredibly compact, budget-friendly mic that's perfect for content creators, vloggers, and streamers. In this quick unboxing review, we'll be comparing its sound quality, ease of use, and how it stacks up against other wireless mics. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this one. Before we continue with the unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M1, I actually stumbled upon another similar microphone from a Chinese brand. Let's take a quick look at this alternative before diving back into the Lark M1 unboxing. It's a budget-friendly option that comes with two microphones, a charging case, and offers a 20-meter range, all for just £15. I thought it'd be interesting to compare both mics to see how they stack up in terms of performance and value. The design of this Chinese microphone is strikingly similar to the Hollyland Lark M1. Both feature compact, lightweight mics with a sleek, professional look. The minimalistic design, with smooth contours and a premium feel, makes them easy to use and carry around. The placement of the receiver and microphones also shares many similarities. This one comes with two microphones, a receiver, and a docking station for easy outdoor charging, perfect for on-the-go recordings. It also includes a USB-C charging cable, making it super convenient to charge and use. While it's a more budget-friendly option, it shares some features with the Hollyland Lark M1, like portability and dual mics. What's even more interesting is that it has a battery percentage screen, something the Hollyland Lark M1 doesn't offer. This makes it easier to track your battery life while you're recording. Alright, now that we've seen the alternative, let's get back to the main star, the Hollyland Lark M1 microphone. This wireless mic system is compact, easy to use, and designed for creators who need top-notch sound quality. Inside the box, you'll find the two microphones, the receiver, and of course, the charging case. While it might not have the battery percentage screen like the other mic, it still offers excellent performance. Let's dive into the unboxing and see how the Hollyland Lark M1 stacks up in terms of design, features, and sound quality. Now, let's take a closer look at what comes with the Hollyland Lark M1. In the box, you'll find not just the two microphones and receiver, but also 4 types of cables that support Android, iOS, cameras, and even laptops, making this system super versatile for all your devices. It also includes 2 wind-blocking heads to help reduce any unwanted noise when you're recording outdoors or in windy conditions. So, with all these features, the Lark M1 offers a lot of value for content creators across different platforms. Let's see how everything performs in action. The Hollyland Lark M1 really stands out in terms of design. It looks sleek, well-built, and has a premium feel to it. The microphones themselves are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry around. One feature that really adds a nice touch is the battery-dotted percentage indicator on the front, which allows you to easily check the remaining battery life. Another great feature of the Hollyland Lark M1 is the one-click noise cancellation option. This makes it super easy to eliminate unwanted background noise with just a simple tap, ensuring your audio stays crystal clear, even in noisy environments. Plus, if you don't have the docking station with you, you can charge the microphone separately, which adds a lot of flexibility for on-the-go recording. These thoughtful features make the Lark M1 an even more versatile choice for creators. One more feature that really elevates the Hollyland Lark M1 is its professional-looking furry windshield. When you attach it to the microphones, it not only helps to block wind noise but also gives the mic a sleek, high-quality appearance. This adds a touch of professionalism, especially if you're recording outdoors or in windy conditions. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in both the performance and the look of the mic when you're wearing it. The receiver of the Hollyland Lark M1 is incredibly versatile, supporting any device that uses a 3.5mm jack. This means you can easily connect it to your iPhone, Android phone, DSLR cameras, or even your laptop. Whether you're recording a podcast, shooting a vlog, or streaming live, the Lark M1 has you covered across different platforms. The 3.5mm jack makes it compatible with most devices, so you don't have to worry about finding the right adapter. The receiver is compact and easy to use, giving you the flexibility to switch between devices without hassle. Plus, it delivers great sound quality regardless of what device you're using. Whether you're a content creator or a professional, the Lark M1 works seamlessly with your gear. This makes it a truly all-in-one solution for wireless audio. The Hollyland Lark M1 offers an impressive 200-meter range, which is perfect for a wide variety of recording situations. Whether you're filming outdoors, conducting interviews, or filming from a distance, you can trust that your signal will remain strong and clear. This extended range gives you the freedom to move around without worrying about losing connection or compromising audio quality. As for battery life, the Lark M1 doesn't disappoint. With up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge, you can record for long periods without needing to stop and recharge. Plus, the charging case offers extra power, allowing you to recharge the microphones on the go. The combination of long-range capability and solid battery life makes the Lark M1 a reliable choice for both short and long recording sessions. You'll have plenty of time to capture the perfect shots and audio without interruptions. Comment below if you'd like me to test the mic quality and range in different scenarios. I'd love to see how it performs in real-world conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.